Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable app icon badges for direct message notifications on the X app. If you've been missing those little red dots or numbers on the app icon that tell you when you have new DMs, this step-by-step guide will help you fix that easily. First, grab your phone and go straight to the settings. This is where you control all your apps and their notification preferences. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. This will show you a list of all the applications installed on your device. Now, find X app in the list and tap on it. This opens the app-specific settings, including permissions, storage, and of course, notifications. Next, tap on Notifications. This section lets you customize how the app alerts you. Inside Notifications, select Notification Categories. Here, you'll see different types of notifications split by various functions within the X app. Look for the category labeled Sending DM Messages and tap on it. This is the key area controlling your direct message notifications. Finally, toggle on App Icon Badges. This setting enables those little notification dots or numbers on your home screen app icon whenever you get a new direct message. And that's it. Now, whenever someone sends you a DM on X, you'll see a clear app icon badge reminding you to check your messages. It's a simple but effective way to stay connected without missing anything important. Give it a try and enjoy never missing direct messages on X again. Thanks for watching.